So the day has finally arrived. The Exocet kit is now here. So basically this video, I'm going to show you picking it up at the freight area, kind of what the boxes look like in my truck, how I strap the crate down to my flatbed, and give you guys a general overview of what the kit looks like, and then just shoot some quick video of me unloading the kit. Probably won't be useful to most of you, but just gives you a glimpse as to the size of what you get and how it looks when you go to pick it up. So anyways, let's get going. Right at the UPS freight depot, just got the frame all picked up here and loaded on the flatbed. And just got to strap it down and get ready for the trip home. Over here is my crate of bodywork. I'm gonna unwrap all that and throw it in my truck. Okay, so finally got home here. And on my flatbed you can see this is the frame kit on the crate. There's also a lot of boxes inside of there. Basically, how I strapped it down, I did one tie down on the flatbed over the middle of the frame. One up here toward the rear. Basically, this is just holding it from sliding forward. And I have another strap here holding it from sliding backwards. So the frame, this is kind of cool, is on casters. As you can see, there's 4 of them. There's little Harbor Freight casters there. The one problem, though, that I think would make it better is they used 4, we call them smart casters, but basically 4 moving casters that can go any direction. I think it would have been a lot better if only 2 of them moved and 2 of them were fixed, because it really wants to slide around if you're rolling around. However, on the flip side of that, it is nice when you get it in your garage, you can rotate the pallet around pretty easily. Other thing here is the body. This is on another crate. I chose to unpack it. It would have fit in my bed with the crate attached, but basically I got hood, nose cone, rear end, and then in my back seat here is the dash pod. So if you have a full-size truck like mine, just a medium bed F250, everything will fit in there strapped down, and then you will need a flatbed or rent a U-Haul moving van. I have a box truck, but that would not quite fit in my box truck, so I went ahead and used my flatbed to tow it home. So now I'm going to get to backing it up into my garage. This is the spot right here that I have next to the roller skate for setting the Okay, so the frame crate is now in the garage. Very easy to do with that tilt flatbed there. So got it in the garage. I knew it was small, but it's a lot smaller than I thought, even compared to the Miata that used to sit in here. So next video I'm going to get into unpackaging. I'm not going to in this one, but just give you guys a quick show around of what you get in the kit. My garage is extremely cramped now. I have my oven and powder coat booth and paint booth in here, and I'm gonna have to move something somewhere. So anyways, just kind of quick walk around of what you get. Everything was packaged real nice, looks real good. Having the casters on the bottom is a great idea. Overall makes it a heck of a lot easier than trying to slide that thing across the floor. So looks good. Next thing is bodywork kit. Basically nose cone here with the hood, and then this is the, I believe this is the rear. Oh, let me find the sticker. See here, yeah, tank cover, and that's Exocet hood nose. Ultramarine blue is the color. So next video I'm going to get to, there's also a gauge pod box that I didn't, it's still in the back of my truck, I got to get out. But anyways, next video I'm going to go through, I'm basically going to slice it open, give you guys a full shot of unpackaging everything that's in the kit and what everything looks like. So yeah, next time that'll be the video. But for now, pretty excited. Glad the kit's finally here, and time to move on and keep the work going. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Also, subscribing and liking this video helps me to give me the motivation, I should say, to keep going and making these videos for you guys. I hope it's helping you guys out. I'm just, learning as I go here, and yeah, hopefully you guys like them. But subscribe or like the video, or both, if you want me to keep making them, and I'm helping you out. Thanks, guys. Bye.